What's going on, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. Firearms Friday, I should say. This week, well, not this week because I'm doing the triple upload, but today we're going over the VSKA, also known as the Vermont Stamped Kalashnikov or the VSKA. It is made by Century Arms and it's made in Vermont, as the name implies, Vermont Stamped Kalashnikov. And I'm going to do some comparisons about this to the Wasser 10. Because that's the other, like, cheap, well, not cheap, but cheaper AK, entry-level AK. So, the one main difference I noticed about them, I don't own a Wasser 10, but when I was looking at both of them, I ended up going with this one, is the Wasser 10, the wood, it felt like plastic, it didn't even feel like wood. As this, you could feel, it has a nice grip. It also has the bulges coming out the side. And I just like the color better, I think, too. Also, a good thing about this, but the Wasser also has this, is it's forged trunnions compared to cast. You don't want to cast. Sure of that. But some other benefits to the VSKA compared to something like the Wasser 10 is it has the ports here, the little holes that let gas out, so it has a better gas system. Also has the crescent barrel on the front compared to the Wasser 10. So yeah, I ended up going with this over the Wasser. I just honestly think it's nicer, it feels nicer, it was better. They were the same price at where I was looking. The grip on the VSKA isn't anything to really rave about. It's just a standard grip. It's kind of small, but I have sort of small hands, so it fits perfectly. It comes with a 30-round plastic mag. It's a pretty nice mag, actually. It looks cool. It says US, got palm trees on it, a little star. Some other things. It obviously shoots 7.62 by 39. The safety is here. It's fairly accurate. The sight is unfortunately a little canted when you buy it, but like all cheap AKs, it will be canted. So you're gonna want to get an adjustment tool, which is like a really small C-clamp. I'll put one of those in the description, and you put it in there and you adjust it and sight it in at the range. But yeah, for an entry-level AK, this was my choice over the Wasser 10. Honestly, it comes down to opinion, I believe, and just whichever one you like better, you should get. But also this one has a sling mount here and here. Yeah, there's not much anything else to say about it, besides it's pretty great AK for the price. Let's move on to the range. Alright, what's up, guys? Some of you requested to see the target after I shoot it. I'm not the best shot, but you'll be able to see if it's accurate or not. You'll still be hitting the target. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the clips at the range. Let's get on to the disassembly. So first thing you want to do is push this button in and the dust cover will come off. For this next part, you gotta put the safety down. So make sure you obviously don't have a magazine in it. Push forward, pull out. Actually, it's not this part, it's the next part after this. The recoil spring will come out. Pull down. and the bolt carrier and the bolt receiver will come out. Let me put this down. And the next part is, this is actually, when it's in its right position, it will be up, locked into place like that. So you're gonna push down, rotate, and pull out. And there you go. That is your completely field stripped VSKA, so you can fully clean it now if you'd like. So I'm going to show you guys how to reassemble now, but I'm just going to cut here in case I run into a problem. Alright guys, the reason I cut is because sometimes putting this back on is a little tricky, and I want to get it the first try, so I'm not wasting time out of your day. So to put this back in, put it down, and you'll see this part right here that's sticking out. If you could see it, you'll see where there's a groove where it slides in, and then it'll go up back into there. And putting it back in, you just slide it at an angle, hold it down so the bolt carriers are falling out. And if you own this, you'll see there's like two little groove spots. You could just, you gotta grip it and push down and slide up. There we go. This, super easy to put it in, hold it steady, push, and slide it back into where it came out, which is right there. Now, like I said, this part is kind of a pain in the ass, but you want to go in at an angle, push down, and you really just gotta there we go. Guys, that took me probably like 2 minutes. That was a pain in the ass, but you're gonna wanna push it forward. This is the easiest way. If you have trouble, maybe you know how to do it perfectly, but you gotta get it into the grooves up there, push forward, and you're gonna wanna angle it this way so it's pointing down, and then just push down, slide in, and it'll eventually get in, but that is a pain in the ass. It's the one thing that pisses me off about this gun. But I think it's like that with most AKs. The dust coverage is a pain in the ass to get on. But yeah, great entry level AK that's cheap. Nice wood grippy feel. I think it's better than the Wasser 10. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.